Well, embattled former Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero's woes worsened after the High Court allowed the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, EACC, to continue with its investigations into his property.
Now, Kidero had filed a petition seeking to stop the anti-graft watchdog from conducting searches on any of his properties located majorly in Nairobi and Kisumu counties. NTV's Seth Olale with the latest on Kidero's case setbacks.
Barely a day after the former Nairobi County boss lost his bid to stop the trial of his 230 million shillings corruption case, Kidero now suffers another blow after his bid to have EACC disallowed from conducting searches on his property dismissed by the High Court. Justice Mumbi Ngugi threw away Kidero's petition and gave the anti-graft watchdog the green light to investigate the former Nairobi governor's wealth. The besieged former city boss, through his lawyer Tom Ojienda, had filed a petition seeking to stop EACC from investigating his properties. EACC defended a search conducted at the homes and offices of the former Nairobi governor, stating that it is investigating Kidero's unexplained wealth, which does not reflect his sources of income. EACC, through its Director of Legal Services, David Toh, said investigations so far show that Kidero has properties and assets with a face value of over 9 billion shillings, including a fleet of 11 motor vehicles that include Range Rovers and Mercedes-Benzes. A search was conducted at Kidero's homes in Muthaiga and Kisumu, as well as his offices in Westlands. The agency is investigating whether Kidero had illegally acquired wealth while he was the Mumias Sugar Company managing director and the Nairobi governor.
Your harassment is a violation of my rights. And we will not take this lying down.
Kidero, through his defense team, argued that the search is vague and aimed at seizing his documents and properties for incriminating evidence against him and his family. He wants the commission compelled to return his properties and documents which were seized on September 20th, 2018. The former governor further complained that ever since he left office after the 2017 general elections, he has been subject to intimidation, harassment, threats and attacks by EACC.
They were too looking for a headline tomorrow when newspapers and press and even this evening we'll be reporting the debate in Parliament on the 8% on VAT. Kenyans are not going to be duped.
Kidero currently faces 2 corruption cases in court. In the first case, he and 8 others were charged with corruption-related offences into the alleged theft of 213 million shillings at the Nairobi County government. The former governor and 15 others are also implicated in the alleged 68 million graft case and is currently free on bond. The hearing of both cases is set to commence. Seth Olale, NTV.